Avery?
I want, yes. Super entertainment siya. Super kulit. Para may bibo na anak. Bibo hotdog. Pag di mo siya pinansin, magwawala siya.
Talaga? Ganun?
Pag nagwawala, galit. As in, gaganunin niya yung ano yung nagwawala. As in, sigaw. As in, nag-headbang. Tito. Akin na lang siya, kuya.
Swap naman
kayo ng bird. Swap. Swap.
Wait.
Naiyak ako talaga. Oh, cute. Gusto ko.
Is this a aviary?
I want. Yes.
Parang ganito ang gusto mo?
I want.
Hi, my man. Bigyan mo si shoulder.
Kiss, baby.
Yan mo sa balikat mo, man.
Akin na lang, kuya. Naiyak na ako.
So that is Dong. This one is Deng.
Mama Dong.
Dong is already 7 years old. Hindi na sila, they don't grow
Mama,
bigger
this is
than
Mama
that.
Dong. Yes. How do you spell? D-O-N-G?
Yes.
Hi, Dong. Paborito mo daw snake. Go.
Come on, just open your hand. Keep it supported. Don't drop
Kitty, takot
it.
papa mo, oh.
Ganun lang.
Dahil tinuwa ng kalikit. Kitty, takot papa mo.
Nice. Oh, thank you.
Oh. Ah.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Are you hungry? Look at that eagle. Look at that kite. Look at that. Complete na po yung order. Yes, yes, Kain na! I have a surprise for you. There it is.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much po. On your heart. Ah, thank you. Sarap, di masyadong matamis. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng nanay at nagnanay-nanay at mga mamamama.
Happy Mother's Day sa mga nanay. We love you.
I got you. Hi!
Ay, wala nang bayad to.
I got you. Thank you.
Thank you kasi.
Thank you, ate.
Thank you.
Caramel bars po, baka gusto po.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
So sweet. Salamat.
Thank you. We love Maxim.
Biscuit pa.
Thank you so much.
We got you.
Malunggay pandesal. Malunggay pandesal. Malunggay pandesal. Hey! Come on! Tinapay para almusal. Malunggay pandesal. Pandesal. Walang